Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are doing fine and I'm also fine today. So today I'm here and I'm going to talk about very special and very common topic. You know that I'm trying to improve my English speaking level. And that's why I try to every single day make one video and with a different topic. My previous video was about my village, so today I would like to share with you my knowledge and my things about my hometown. So as much as I know, I will try my best to inform you that about my hometown. So if you are living in a hometown, actually everyone has hometown, so I respect all of hometown, but everyone has a hometown. That's why I have also a hometown. So my hometown especially favorite and is very unique my point of view. Okay, so let me tell you my hometown name. My hometown name is Brahmanbaria. You know that Brahmanbaria recently is a famous and well-known district. It's under the Chittagong division of Bangladesh, and it's play a vital role for our economy also, so many sectors. So I will tell you step by step. Give me some time, and if you are watching this video, please stay with me until the end. I will tell you how to describe and how to start your speaking level. For example, I'm a beginner. That's why I try to make every single day one video, and I have a goal, and in this goal I would like to make at least 1000 video, and after 1000 days later I want to see my progress. That's why I'm improving. I'm going to this method. Okay, so I think it is the best way to judge myself, because I have no partner, also I have no teacher. I'm learning by myself. So if I record any video and later I will watch this video again, and I will try to find out my mistake, and also I will fix all my mistakes. Okay, so day by day I'm trying to improve myself. So uh, the most of the and many of you, actually those people are very beginner. They are actually ask me one question, that is how to start their speaking journey. For example, they know vocabulary, they know grammar, but when they try to make sentence, basically the real conversations, that time they face the problem. Okay, so this is not my task or topic today. Today I would like to just share my knowledge about my hometown. So already I mentioned my hometown name. My hometown name is Brahmanbaria, which is situated in the eastern part of Bangladesh. Basically, it's bordering area. It's very close to India, Tripura state, and Titas River also famous for Brahmanbaria, because Titas River flows through the Brahmanbaria, and this river plays a vital role for our Brahmanbaria city, because it's a source of water, and for our landscape, or for our paddy field is very important for our for us. Okay, so Brahmanbaria basically famous so many reason. I would like to tell you. First one, this we have special thing, that is Titas gas field, which is one of the longest gas field. Also Brahmanbaria has, that means Ashogons has a fertilizer factory, and also it's very important thing for our economy, because already mentioned these things, that is Titas girls. Also we have another special thing, that is power sector. Okay, so Ashogons, we have a power plant. Okay, and in the by this power sector, we this actually disbursement or spread our power everywhere. That is actually a good thing for our district. Also in our my district is famous, another reason, that is in this district is famous for birthplace of very famous person. Okay, for example, I would like to say that is Ustad Alauddin Khan is very famous. He is a classical musician. Also, this district is famous for so many personalistic person they born they in this district. Okay, also this district connected other district to uh, the road, also the train line. Okay, so Banbara has so many hospital, so many educational institute. Hospital especially provide health and health care, and education provide education also teaching students. So this type of things has available. So it's a very busy city, and it's play a vital role for our country. Okay, so I am trying to my best to describing my district or hometown. So if you are want to improve your skill or you're improving or communication skill, that means you have to try or several things to describing your hometown or your village or your neighborhood or your surrounding like this. So I think it's the best way, because I am trying to improve myself by myself. I have no mentors, also I have no teachers, and I have no friends. Okay, so take care, bye bye, thanks for watching this video.